Withdraw your money from Dabble. In today's video, you are going to learn how to withdraw your money from Dabble. So first you have to know that your funds can be withdrawn directly to your chosen bank account via bank transfer by following the coming steps. Step number 1, tap on the settings. It will appear as gear icon. Then in settings, choose the withdraw option in the menu. Now tap on add new bank account to add your new account. They will require you to fill out the required boxes and then select add bank account to save these details to your account. Once done, ensure that this includes your full name as this is crucial for a successful payment. Now, once you have the bank account added, tap on the amount you wish to withdraw from your available balance and then tap on the account you wish to withdraw to. Tap on withdraw to complete the request. It has some key information and tips you need to learn. First one is verification. Your identity and bank details must be verified before your first withdrawal can be processed. This initial process might take longer due to extra security checks. Next one is withdrawal method. Bank transfer is the only method available for withdrawals. Third one is minimum withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal amount is generally 5 or your local currency equivalent to it. So now what is the processing time? You have two options, fast withdrawal and standard withdrawal. For fast withdrawals, after a few successful withdrawals, your account may become eligible for fast withdrawals, which are processed within minutes if your bank supports the new payment platform or Osko payment system. Now we talk about standard withdrawals. If your bank is not eligible for fast withdrawals, requests before 3 p.m. are actioned on the same day and funds typically arrive within 1 to 3 business days. Now, what is the fee? Dabble offers fee-free withdrawals. Now, what is about their customer support? The customer service team cannot add bank details or process withdrawals over the phone or live chat. All transactions must be done through your application. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.